Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Mishra and I welcome you all to StudyIQ IAS English, your favorite channel here. And today we are going to discuss about a revolution that is soon to be unfolded by our Finance Ministry as well as the Reserve Bank of India. So recently they both had a wonderful meet, and in that meet they have talked about a revolution in the loan sector of our country. Loans that are basically assets to any kind of banking as well as non-banking sector. And to enhance this asset, that is also a very good platform for the businesses and startups to grow in India. And for that sake, what we have got with us, the ULI, that is Unified Lending Interface. So a term that is not so familiar, right? But a term that is sounding so much rhythmic to something that is known as UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, or the Universal Payment Interface as well. So what is ULI? That is Unified Lending Interface. You can simply connect it with something that we term as UPI. So think of ULI as UPI for lending. Okay, so what is that? Think of ULI as the UPI for lending. So how our lives, they have been so easy, right? Because of a particular payment method that is known as UPI. So you might be having your phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, or any other wallet within your phone, right? Now, how easy it is. Just put on the UPI ID or even scan and pay. Think about it. If you have a very such type of a thing which can provide you just, scan and pay, that is simply scan and get the loan. Not scam. This is scan and get loan from the Reserve Bank of India in relationship with the Finance Ministry of India. So what has happened? Let's discuss about the minutes of the meeting. So the Finance Ministry and the Reserve Bank of India, they jointly held a high level meeting to deliberate on what the scaling of ULI. It is chaired by M. Nagaraju, that is the Financial Services Secretary. Apart from that, the Deputy Governor of RBI, that is T. Ravi Shankar. Now, apart from that, the other participants, as you can see, this is only a feature that has to be represented here with just one agenda to let you know that how important that meeting was. So the other participants, they were the officials from 13 ministries as well as departments. And apart from that, we were having the representatives from 11 state government departments. And the only goal, the only agenda was to have ULI not as a dreamboat but as a reality. So let's talk about the whole features. Okay, what is actually this ULI? So ULI is a digital public interface, okay, as you can see here, okay, a digital public infrastructure designed to streamline the lending process. Exactly similar to UPI in the payment, right? So this is where the UPI is here, and this is where the ULI, that is the Unified Lending Interface, is here. Okay, so as we can see, so UPI in the payment, it is a technology platform built to facilitate easy access to authenticated data from various sources through standardized APIs. That is simply the apps that you are using, right? Now, when we talk about the key facts here, first one, ULI is a digital public infrastructure, that is a tech backbone for frictionless lending. Next thing, it is built on the principle of plug and play via standardized APIs or basically your apps. So plug and play as in simply install and use. There is nothing more to do. Next, enables the seamless access to trusted digital data from multiple sources like KYC, as in you know your customer, your land records, your income tax, your GST data, your utility bills like your phone bill, electricity bill, your Wi-Fi bill, or any kind of a bill, let's say D2H bill, etc. Okay, so ULI will exactly on the same lines of UPI, okay, will provide you an easy access, not to pay, but yes, to get easy loan from the government authentic sources, right? Now, it will be having some interconnected platforms, like for example, banks as well as NBFCs, the fintech companies, the government departments, as well as the other credit bureaus, including Experian and Civil. And the only objective is to democratize the lending process in our country. As we know it very well that how availing loans, it's not so easy for every section of the society. right? Though you might be of the opinion, sir, what are you saying? We have got multiple apps that provides us easy loan. That's true. But they are always not from the government sources, and they often charge very high rate of interest. And paying interest is a big headache. We all know it very well, right? So here is the objective, right? To democratize the credit access, especially for whom? For the backbone of our economy, that is MSMEs, micro, small, and medium enterprises. Make no mistake. MSMEs, they are the backbone of our country for sure when it comes to economic growth and development, right? India has always been a particular nation that has heavily relied on cottage industries. And the standard terms or the economic term what we use for our cottage industries, they are micro, small, and medium enterprises. They often face huge level of barriers due to lack of collateral or any kind of formal credit history. So this ULI will provide them zero collateral interest or least interest of loans, maybe no interest, okay, or as well as least interest of loans. Apart from that, even if they are not registered themselves with any kind of credit bureaus, then also with the help of, the utility bills, land records, GST, or maybe anything, okay, their credit history, their credit score can be created, and as per the score, they can be gifted with the loans by the authentic government as well as RBI assured organizations. Now, we talk about what is DPI, a term that we have already encountered, that is the digital public infrastructure. So, it refers to the foundational digital system, okay, that are interoperable, as in can be used in multiple platforms. It is open to everyone as well as inclusive. Simply, it is focusing on the particular feature that is known as financial inclusion, right? Now, India's globally acclaimed DPI ecosystem. What all are the things that are included here? So Aadhaar, okay, that is the digital ID. Apart from that, we have got the UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface. Then we have got the DigiLocker with us, okay, that is the place where we can store our documents digitally. Apart from that, we have got ONDC, that is simply the e-commerce websites for us. And apart from that, yes, finally, that is not a dreamboat anymore. It's the damn reality. That is ULI, that is Unified Lending Interface, right? So DPI basically providing us all the data at one-stop shop, simple thing. So we talk about the difference, how the ULI will be supporting the stakeholders as well as, the other active players of the society. So let's talk about how it will be working. So let's say there is a borrower wants a loan, okay, so it will apply via digital interface, okay. Then there is a lender, that means the one who is giving the loan, right? So accesses real-time data for underwriting, okay, that is all the records. Apart from that, the ULI platform, it connects data sources to the lenders. And who are the data providers? So they are the income tax department, the GST department, the utility bills, or maybe the other land records. You have to do nothing. You just have to register yourself with ULI the very same way you registered yourself with UPI, okay? And then you have to do nothing. Just you have entered your mobile number that is linked with your PAN card, that is linked with your Aadhaar card, that is linked with your bank account number. So this cycle of PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account number, and mobile number, okay, will be accessed by the DPIs, okay, or by the lenders, or the other stakeholders, or the other this active players in the society, and they will be taking care of whether to lend, how much to lend, and what should be the collateral. Should it be collateral free, or should it be, with some minimum amount of the collateral? What should be the rate of interest? Should it be, interest free or something like that? Okay, so this is what the ULI will be playing a very wonderful role. Now, how much strategically important it is for us, that is for India. So firstly, it will be providing us with a great level of push when it comes to the financial inclusion, right? Then credit deepening, as in it supports the small ticket or the collateral free loans. And then it boosts the digital governments for sure, that it aligns with India's vision, okay, of minimum government and maximum governance. A particular phrase that was given to us by our Honorable Prime Minister in the year 2015, okay, when the regime got changed, when the BJP came into the power and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he took oath as the fresh Prime Minister of the country. right? So the very first thing that he, phrased, that he coined was minimum government and maximum governance. And apart from that, where we are hustling for? We are hustling for the financial inclusion. What is this financial inclusion? Basically providing bank accounts to each and every one of us. And there came in the Jam Trinity. Jam Trinity as in, okay, the Jandhan, Aadhaar and mobile, right? So you have your bank account. This bank account is linked with your PAN card, right? This PAN card is linked with your Aadhaar card. And this Aadhaar card is linked with your mobile number, right? So you can reverse it, mobile with Aadhaar, Aadhaar with PAN, PAN with bank, right? And now you need not go ahead with any kind of other verification, and you can open your zero balance bank account. Okay, so that provides government a bit of ease and comfort to target the actual beneficiaries and transfer the subsidy amount, as well as it allows the users, that is basically the citizens, to come into the banking sector, okay, and avail all of the offers and all of the privileges of the banking sector in our country, from loans to fixed deposits to savings accounts to everything, right? And you know it very well how easy it is for us now to open the bank accounts. Just dial 811 through the Kotak Mahindra Bank and they will open your account. Just download the Axis Bank mobile app, HDFC Bank mobile app, and you can open your bank account within couple of minutes, sitting at your place within your comfort, right? You need not go physically to any banks, okay, fill up any kind of a forms, okay, and then wait for the verification thing and then wait for your bank account to be opened, right? Nothing. Simply, you have your mobile number. Your mobile number is linked with your Aadhaar card. Aadhaar is linked with your PAN card. Okay, and then you have got your bank account number. And now you have got the UPI because of this particular financial inclusion. And in the very same way, we will be having the ULI very soon. Okay, probably within a year or two maximum, right? So the bonus points. This particular ULI has aligned with SECHE framework. SECHE or the SECHE framework, okay, of RBI. That is the full form: secure, accountable, confidential, harmonized, efficient, and transparent for digital lending. And apart from that, it is inspired by the success of that is AAF, that is Account Aggregator Framework. Okay, that is AAF framework. So ULI will work in tandem to enable consent-based data sharing. So you're worried about that, you will be providing all of your data. Will it be misused? No, it's not going to be misused. You can have absolute trust and absolute security because all of this data, that is your, utility bills, okay, your land records, your GST number and other income tax, details, they will be only with the government trusted sources. And they will be utilized only to create your credit report. And as per that credit report, the ministries as well as the government registered, okay, or the bank registered organizations will be providing you the loans. Okay, guys, so I hope this is all clear. This is what the revolution being unfolded in the economic sector. And apart from that, you know it very well, a revolution has also unfolded in the name of resolution. Okay, the resolution batch that is being commenced from 30th of June, right? So what is this resolution batch? If you are an aspirant targeting for 2026, which might look far enough, but it's just 11 months to go. 24th of May is our prelims date. So as we can see, it is less than something 330 days only, right? So it's time for us to push ourselves to come to the, the final gear or to the top gear and enroll yourself with the resolution batch so that you can be taught with the greatest educators of this nation, 1000 plus hours of the live classes. You will also have the access to the recorded lectures. 18 sets of printed books will be given to you directly at your home. Apart from that, the handouts, the class notes used by the teacher will be also given to you in the form of PDF. And yes, 1:1 mentorship is also given to you. Now, is that enough? Absolutely not. We have got some more features with us. Let's say what I have got. I have got with me the prelims test series, the mains test series, as well as the interview guidance program in just one particular subscription that is known as resolution. What else? And who will be teaching me? it will be the greatest educators of this nation. Well, it's not wrong to take the word greatest, because you know it very well. We have got Shashank Tyagi sir, Bhuvan Jha sir, we have got Ankit sir, we have got Shubham sir, we have got Chandan sir with us, we have got Abhishek sir with us. Okay, so these are the names, those who have gained some quintessential level or the extraordinary level or out of the blues level of experience, knowledge, wisdom when it comes to the mentorship and the teaching of UPSC CSE. So guys, what you need is the revolution, right? And the name of your revolution is resolution if you're targeting yourself to see, okay, the IAS, IPS or IFS officer of 2026 batch. So it's your dream. Let's convert it into the reality with the resolution batch commencing from 30th of June. And remember the pricing. All of these things now are surprising or maybe shocking to you both at the same time. All of these things, they are available in an amount that is literally peanuts in front of these huge, gigantic features that you are getting. 24,999 rupees only. But there is a catch. It will be, okay, the price 24,999 only when you have got this promo code that is PRV Live. So remember guys, whenever you are going on to StudyIQ.com website and enrolling yourself into any of the courses, you need this course. You need this particular promo code that is PRV Live. And if you have any doubt, so as you can see on your screen, there is a helpline number being shown. So you can call up on that number and the team will guide you as per your needs. Right everyone? So thank you so much for joining. But remember, before leaving, what do we need? We need to subscribe to the StudyIQ IAS English channel. So hit the subscribe button and never miss an update from the channel. As you know it very well, the channel is ready always to provide you all the quantity as well as quality. And if you wish to connect with me, we can connect on Instagram, that is with the username Praveen Mishra _2107. And for all the class notes and PDFs of my classes, my YT classes, you can also join my Telegram channel, that is study_with_Praveen. Okay guys, so this is me, Praveen Mishra, signing off for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and never miss an update from the channel. Bye bye, take care, see you soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.